Yeah, boy.
So this is the base we are going to be taking on, and you can see clearly it is definitely not a maxed base. Pretty weak defenses for a Town Hall 11. And instead of doing the usual dragon attack and steamrolling this base, I have decided to try out the Queen Charge hybrid. So this is an attack that I have been practicing and trying to learn in the past few days, and I thought it's a good thing to give it a try during war before the CWL starts. So let me just tell you the plan quickly. So we are going to charge the queen in from here. She's going to enter the base and she will clear off this entire left area. The barbarian king will be placed down here, and he's going to walk all the way up and clear all these outside buildings. We'll have a slammer moving in from the top with hog riders to clear off those defenses, and then all that is left is a straight path down the center for our main hybrid along with the Grand Warden, and we'll use our spells accordingly. Our plan seems to be pretty solid, and this base should get crushed. But again, you have to remember that this army is not at all easy. There are many different moving components on which you need to focus, and it is pretty difficult if you are new uh, to this attack, and you need a lot of experience in practice, and those are some things which I lack. So let's see how the attack goes. Hopefully it goes to plan. I don't think we'll need 3 rages, as the queen charge isn't very deep. She has got quite little work to do relatively. So I'm thinking of dumping one rage and taking another heal instead. So let's just do that quickly. And Zenith, 3 heals, 2 rages. Yeah, let's see how it goes. Okay, let's go. First of all, queen, governor, hero. Yes, war with the queen is gone. Get against rages. Wait for a while. Not ready. It will take me time. Please digest. The water ability control. Multi still alive. On the wrong level of the Looking very sketchy. Looking very, very sketchy at the moment. Ball goes down. If anything, it seems to be a time fail at the moment. If anything, it's a time fail. So he was going down. There are no defenses left. Arthur Towers can do nothing to the queen. Speed things up and get as much percentage as you can. Yeah, there are no defenses left at this point. Practically, it's a time fail. I'll have to check again what went wrong there. My hogs just died. My hogs got nowhere. 87% 2-star. This base should get crushed.
This base should get crushed.
The plan was actually pretty solid. The queen, she didn't actually take out that other multi-target inferno. But regardless, our troops are weak as well. But we can't use that as an excuse against this base. We'll see what went wrong and we'll upload a video about that as well. So that is it for this video. Hopefully you learned and enjoyed it as much as I did. Thank you for watching.